Maikutlo a Sisulu eo e leng setho sa NEC ya ANC a nkwa e le theollo e hloka bopaki mme bahlophuli tabeng tsa dipolotiki ba ntsha maikutlo.
The term attack is too often used in our discourse by people or by some people in order for them not to engage critically in that regard. We just have to appreciate the fact that the Constitution allows Ms. Sisulu, like all of us, she's entitled to an opinion.
But she can't start a debate just like any woman or man in the street can, because she has been in the belly of the beast. She can't just start a theoretical debate, an ideological debate for the rest of us to follow.
Ongaba Mtinka o re taba ena Sisulu ke fela ho leka ho beha phoso molaong wa motheo le tsamaisong ya toka ho ka dumella baetapele ba dipolotiki ho se tshware boikarabelo ka ho se ntlafatse bophelo ba baahi.
The danger in her piece is its politics. It panders to an escapist route that has been taken by many politicians who have failed to lead, to try and deflect attention away from them and have it shine on a supposedly limiting rule of law.
E mo mohlophuli le ditabeng tsa dipolotiki o re Sisulu ha gone ho bontsha kutlwisiso ka karolano ya matla tsamaisong ya toka.
The judiciary, it's not a law-making fraternity, but rather seized with the cardinal responsibility of interpretation, which then gives power to our legislatures in all spheres.
Ka ho le leng letona le ntse le bontshana le leqwetha la lona ka taba ena. EFF e ntshitse maikutlo tabeng ena mo e seollang karabo ya Zondo ka hore empa e le ho ipetlela tsela ya ho fumana setulo sa ba moahlodi e moholo lekgotleng la molao motheo.
Ho sa le jwalo mekga e fapaneng ya dipolotiki parlamenteng e ntshitse maikutlo a fapaneng ka taba ena.
The ACDP believes that the comments made by Minister Sisulu were highly inappropriate. While the judiciary is not above criticism, we agree that these comments were indeed insulting and that Acting Chief Justice Zondo responded correctly to protect the independence of the judiciary from unsubstantiated allegations.
The showdown between the political elites and the judicial oligarchy, as represented by the open clash of opinions between Lindiwe Sisulu and Raymond Zondo, is the beginning of the end for South Africa. A people's Azania is on the rise. Sisulu is restating the basic position of African nationalism against settler colonialism, while Zondo is expressing opinions of the guards of apartheid reforms. One between the two must die.
Cope, support and agree with Deputy Chief Justice Raymond Zondo that this opinion piece of Lindiwe Sisulu was not criticism, but it was insults against the African judges, and we must condemn it.